Second, you need to feed the hot melt glue. First, this is electrical cabinet control panels. These two buttons, first one and the second one, it is for hot melt glue and yarn feeding. So you just put the button on. Then go to the hot melt tank. Feed the hot melt glue in. You need to fulfill the hot melt tank. Keep the hot melt tank always with hot melt glue. One time can be fulfilled. This is a glue tank. We need to ensure the evenness of glue density. So you need to check is that thick or thin of the glue. So you need to check here. If it is too thick, you need to turn left for adjustment of the glue. For glue density adjustment, if it is too thick, we need to turn right to modify the density. If you find the hot melt glue tank, it is getting smoking. That means it is too heated. So you just turn left the button. If you find too much glue on this pallet, if too much glue, you need to turn left to evenness of the let the glue be melt. Let the glue melting. So do not keep the glue on it. On the pallet, if you find too much glue on it, we need to turn right to add the AC power on it. Let the glue be melting the glue. Total 3 buttons here. So use this button. Let's see how to be troubleshooting. If the veneer gets sucked here at the bottom of a ruler, we need to gear adapter reset. If your veneer gets sucked in the middle, we have one button here. You just turn on the button, then the ruler will be up. If your veneer gets stuck at the back side, the solution is here. There is one button. Just press the button and then turn right. It will be let the ruler on. If your veneer gets sucked at auto stacking, only need this button. Swing arm. You press the swing arm. The veneer will be automatically done. This AC is a function for faster cooling the finger jointing parts. So you need to ensure this water tank keep the water always in, and you need to add some anti-rust agent inside. Keep always water on. To maintain our continuous finger jointing machine, all these bearings, you need to keep regular maintenance every week or every month. It depends on your machine you using. Just put the button to oil lubrication for all the bearings. This chain you need also keep maintenance. Keep button oiling on it. Lubrication for the chain.